So we're off to another adventure. So today we're gonna hop on the road, go a couple hours away, pick up this trailer that I won for dirt cheap. I won't brag on it yet because I bought it sight unseen. So, I've seen pictures online, but I don't know if it rolls. I don't know if the tires are flat. I don't know if the bearings are seized. I don't know if the lights work. I know the deck is a little rough, but we can fix that. I don't know. Come along for the ride. Crazy. So let's walk around it. Hasn't been moved in over 10 years, so not bad though. The tires still have air. Ugly. The deck is ugly. I'm gonna take this with it and a bunch of these boxes. No air. All of them had 16 or lower. $16. We made it back. We've been on the road pretty much 12 hours or about 11. We left at about 8:30, 9 o'clock this morning. Came back just now. So we've been out for a good little minute. I got a couple flat spots, but that's to be expected. But once you got up to about 35, smooth right out. I'm gonna spray some degreaser on it, hit it with the power washer so that it'd be a little bit cleaner while I'm here before we take it apart and take the wood off, check the bearings, run through it like we should before we actually use it. All right, people, tomorrow's another day. I'm losing daylight. I'm gross. Got dirt and rust all over me. Yeah, tomorrow's another day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.